Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how we can increase our domain authority with the help of building links from expired domains. It is just going to take 5 to 10 minutes to understand the whole process, and it will going to give you a benefit for the longer run. So stay tuned with me and let's see how we can increase it. So I'm in front of my Ahrefs dashboard panel. Just enter your website name as I have already done. Just hit the search button, and when you see this dashboard, go back in the sidebar and search for, you can search for link domains. When you see link domains, then you need to export it. Okay, so I'm going to take this example of a very big site. For example, I want to build link for techblogcorner.com, my website. So my website is into digital marketing and niche. Okay, so which is related to more of TechCrunch. So TechCrunch, I have entered. I can see there are 1837 domains which are listed as a link domain from TechCrunch. Now I only want to focus on the expired domains which are getting do follow links from TechCrunch. So I will go into the link type, drop down and select on do follow, and I only see my website is into English language and it is on the .com domain, and I am targeting US countries, so I will probably go for to search for .com only. So I can see only 1291 results are there, which are getting do follow link from TechCrunch. So I'm going to export these sites. Let's not to, we have to wait for full export to some time, so I'm going to make this video shorter, so by doing this quick export option. Okay, let's wait for the download. Let's open it. Okay, so you can see the list of domains has been exported with all the data. Now you need to select all the domains like this, copy. Now you need to go back to a tool. I am going to tell the name and also going to give it in the description of the video. Namebright. Namebright bulk search. So we have copied these domains and paste it here and just hit the search button. So this tool will help you to tell or find out if any domain has been expired or available to book or not. So you can see 919 domains are already registered. So we don't find any list of expired one from the list. So let's take another example of the website. For example, let's take huffpost.com. Okay, so they are also having this much 1547 numbers. I'm interested in 1215 numbers which are into .com, so I'm exporting this, doing this. Let's select the same way we have done for TechCrunch. Let's do it again. It's a free tool, so you don't have to worry about the paying thing. You can only search for you can say 5000 domains. So this is also not going to give us many domains, so I'm going to check for ndtv.com. Okay, so we have good number of results, and I'm pretty sure like we are going to have some by chance or by luck some domains only .com, and let me export it. I think this time I have to be very patient about the data. Let's wait for the video. I'm going to pause the video for some time and wait for the export, then we will get back again. So guys, we are back again with the data now for NDTV, and I'm going to split the list from 5,000 because that tool is only giving us result of up to 5,000. So let me break it down by inserting the row. Now I have copied, going back to the tool, let's see what we are going to have. 3, 4, 5 domains, 8 domains, 11, 15. So this tool is really nice. So these are the 21 domains available. So I'm going to download that data over. There is another method. If you want to select by the name, then you select them here, and you can copy the data. Okay, let me export all the results first. Open it. So it is going to help you this way, like it will segregate the sheet into yes or no. That means yes domains are available and no domains are not available to register. So we are only focusing on this list. So copy, paste, go back to your tool, go into batch analysis and say batch analysis, and then copy paste. You can see the stats of all these domains. I am interested to know about their referring domains and the links, so I am going to sort it by this. So this Suniti Chemical STD chemicalslimited.com has 75 domains, referring domains which are unique and getting 14 do follow links. So I am more interested to understand their backlink quality, so I'm going to click on it. What are the domains they have? Like, so they have link from NDTV, Money Control, Z Business, Moment Tag, this and that. And if you want to be sure like these domains are how much these domains are in price, then I would suggest you to use NameSilo because it has less price compared to any other brands like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or you can say any other name that comes into your mind. So I can compare the NameSilo price with other brands. For example, this is NameSilo interface. So $8.99, and in for GoDaddy I'm going on GoDaddy.com to see the price in dollars. This is for new users only. If you are going to buy this domain from your existing account, then it will cost you around 900 rupees. So that way you can build those book those domains and then go back into the then you can redirect those domain to your main domain via 301 redirect. I hope this video is going to help you a lot to increase your domain authority. Stay tuned for same videos like this to our channel. Thank you.